Ever felt like your bank is stuck in the past? While you're navigating a world of instant gratification, they're still stuck with snail mail statements and confusing fees. You know, the kind that make you feel like you're dealing with a relic from the dinosaur age. But what if there was a bank that actually understood the modern world? A bank that moved at the speed of your life, a bank that was, well, a rocket? The search begins. Today, we're on a mission to uncover the identity of this elusive rocket bank. We'll be diving deep into the world of modern banking, analyzing features, comparing speeds, and ultimately crowning the true champion of the digital age. First things first, what exactly makes a bank rocket-like? Speed, forget waiting days for transfers. We're talking about instant transactions, lightning-fast approvals, and zero downtime. Innovation, this isn't your grandma's bank. We're looking for cutting-edge features like AI-powered financial assistance, personalized budgeting tools, and seamless integration with your favorite apps. Customer experience, no more endless phone queues or confusing hold music. We're talking about 24/7 customer support, intuitive interfaces, and a truly personalized banking experience. The contenders. Now, let's meet our contenders. We've narrowed it down to a few leading players in the digital banking space. Bank A, known for its sleek mobile app and generous rewards program. Bank B, a pioneer in AI-powered banking, offering personalized financial advice and proactive fraud alerts. Bank C, a challenger bank that's shaking things up with its fee-free model and hyperlocal community focus. Cut to short, engaging clips showcasing key features of each bank: Bank A's rewards program, Bank B's AI assistant, Bank C's community initiatives. Deep dive, feature by feature. Let's put these contenders to the test. We'll be analyzing them across key categories. Account opening, how easy is it to sign up? Can you do it entirely online in minutes? Fees, are there any hidden fees? What about monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or ATM fees? Customer support, how responsive is their customer support? Are they available 24/7? Security, how secure are your funds? What measures are in place to protect you from fraud? Innovation, what unique features does each bank offer that set them apart from the competition? The verdict. After careful consideration, we've crowned a winner. The bank that truly deserves the title of Rocket Bank is Bank B. Impressed us with its cutting-edge AI technology, personalized financial guidance, and proactive fraud protection. They truly understand the needs of the modern customer and deliver a truly rocket-fast and seamless banking experience. Why Bank B reigns supreme? Here's a closer look at why Bank B took home the crown. AI-powered personalization. Their AI assistant, Finny, provides personalized financial insights, helps you track your spending, and even suggests ways to save more money. Proactive fraud protection. Bank B utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent fraudulent activity before it even happens. Seamless user experience. From account opening to customer support, Bank B prioritizes a smooth and intuitive user experience. The future of banking. The banking industry is constantly evolving. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and exciting features emerge. Biometric authentication. Imagine logging into your bank account with just your fingerprint or facial recognition. Blockchain technology. Blockchain could revolutionize the way we make payments, making transactions faster, more secure, and more transparent. The metaverse. Could the future of banking involve virtual branches and immersive financial experiences within the metaverse? Ready to experience the future of banking for yourself? Visit Bank B's website or download their app today and see what the Rocket Bank experience is all about. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.